रोहित मोन्सेरात 6व्या खेपे पणजे शहरांतल्यान महापौर म्हणून बिनविरोधी निवडून आयल्यात आणि वसंत आक्षीकर हांणी उपमहापौर पदाची जबाबदारी सांभाळ्या। सगळ्या नव्यान वेचून आयिल्ल्यान सीसीपी नगरसेवकांनी सोपूत घेतल्या उपरांत ही घोषणा जाल्या आणि शहरांतल्या नागरी प्रशासन सुळीत बदल घडोवन हाडटलो। फुडली विधानसभा वेंचणूक आपूण लढयतलो आणि जाच्या खातीर आपलो हो टर्म ल्हान आसतलो अशें मोन्सेरात हांणी पयलींच जाहीर केला।
I would like to thank the people of Panjim. First and foremost, none of this would have been possible without the support that the people of Panjim have shown us. And so it's a record that we've done purely in service of the people of There's a lot of work that's yet to be done. And we're hoping to discharge our duties to the best. Yeah, so even prior, at least we've already met with concerned officials. We've met the traffic DYSP. So now, at least over the course of the next 6 months, we want to begin streamlining the whole process of okay. There are a lot of first we want to start with the areas around the casinos. We've already gone out to the right in the night. We've asked the police to basically give us recommendations on what can be done. There's a lot of work that is from the corporation side that needs to be done also. Pay parking boards and bollards and to prevent people from parking. But so we'll take it. Once a plan is ready, we'll take it on a step by step.
Rohit, Smart City has messed up with the PNG connection, which is now very important these days. Then there is a problem of cylinder. So how do you going to tackle this thing, PNG connection?
See, now there are two things also. We are not in favor of them breaking a newly laid concrete tar road. Now it took us a lot of time and a lot of effort to get those things put into place. There has to be some sort of solution. We'll sit with them and we'll see.
Because they have given open hand from the center. They can take a permission from center and they can dig up the road with the current.
Nothing can happen with schools. We are not going to allow it at all. Whatever the considerations are, they on their timeline, even that I understand. But now the priority of our citizens is paramount. Now if our people are going to feel any sort of discomfort, we are not in favor of that. We can extend the deadline for it. Yeah, thank you.
तुमकां कितें सांगपाक जाय तुमी आयज डेप्युटी मेयर
पणजेचे आयिल्ले बाबू सर आनी भारतीय जनता पार्टीक थँक्यू म्हणटा म्हाका तिसरेंदा ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी दिली डेप्युटी मेयर जावपाचो जशें तुमी म्हणटा रोहिताक 5 वर्सां जालीं आज थंय 6वें वर्स आमी सगळे आमची टीम आसा जी एक्सपिरियन्स आसा आनी नवें आसा सगळे जाण मेळून पणजे खातीर लोकांनी इतले भरघोस आमकां मेजॉरिटी दिल्या सो आमी तांचे एक्सपेक्टेशन जे कितें आसा ते आमी फुलफील करपाक सगळे टीम म्हणटा परत दिले आता परत उद्यापासून कामाला
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर।